What's going on, YouTube? Here back again to open up that Menlo package for the month of July. So we got this same kind of pants I was talking about. So they have the club called Grand Running. Call it Grand Running Club. Before they used to call it AC, Grand AC. Same outfitter, but I had some black version of these earlier. They're inspiring, being a fit workout life. Coming January, beginning of the year, everybody does the New Year's resolution. I'm trying to stay fit and that type of deal. So they usually January package come out with some workout gear. These got so much of a good review, and I'm with them. Very comfortable pants. You can kind of wear them to just lounge around, run some errands or work out. But I had the black version. These are navy blue, so we'll see if those fit. And then they got such popular feedback, they even came with the shorts, y'all. They even came with the shorts. So same fit, same issue, except they're shorts. So even though those look wide, we will see how those turn out. We'll see how those turn out, how those fit. So Brody, I don't know if I'm rocking with these because, again, I might need to size up that fit. I know they're running shorts, but yeah, might not be rocking with these. I just need to get a size up. So let's try on the long pants, see what it do. So the long pants, yeah. So I could probably rock with them, but think I'm just might as well just take this whole package back, call it a wrap, and I want these pants, so I'll shoot for the go one size up, extra large. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. Gonna return those, and again, why I'm a long time member is because these types of issues gets taken care of pretty seamlessly. So yeah, that's this month's package. Kind of was excited about it, and those getting the pants, those comfortable pants, but I knew the size was gonna be an issue. So didn't catch them in time. If I caught them in time, I would have told them, hey, go a size up. But they did do some redesigns to it, and I could feel them in the long pants, but we'll go one size up just to play it safe, and especially from the shorts. Nah, can't do that. But till next time, next one will be August package. But y'all take care of each other until then. All right.